Hello and welcome to 41 Hazelwood Avenue, a 2-unit property. This is going to be the very short video tour. The longer one can be seen. We'll give you a bit more detail, but let's do this one. Nice front porch. This is a 2-unit home. Is currently used as a single-family home by the owners. But we have got it set up as a 2-unit home. And the first unit is a 2-bedroom that you walk into. The living space. Got a picture window. We've got all these medallions throughout the home, and coved ceilings, and plate rails, and high baseboards, and original hardwood. All this character throughout the home. This dining room is quite large and was previously the living room by the owners because it is a little bigger, but we like tradition here. New fence, interlocking, and stone backyard. We've got a kitchen that's quite large with crowns and half-round transoms, stone sills, and tile backsplashes, and task lighting. Little area over there to maybe work. Maybe this is the area to work. Breakfast bar. Maybe this is the breakfast bar. Little mud room. Clever doormats, not included. Updated rear deck. Like I said, the new fence. Parking off the laneway for 1 car, 1.5 technically, but I don't see too many people driving a half car. We got lots of space to entertain. There's storage under this deck too, which is quite nice. There's a hose bib over there. We got vinyl siding. The roofs are in good shape. Trying to make this quick for y'all. Let's show you the sleeping quarters for the first unit, the principal bedroom. So this is very high and dry ceiling. I am 6 feet tall, so basement's being lowered. We got a panel back here, which the inspection report says should be probably updated. It is a little crowded in there, but the wiring is all updated in general. It's just that the panel itself is crowded. Okay, so I'm sorry, I think I made that point. That's good. We got some beadboard, pot lights. And here is our laundry exclusive to this unit, plus furnace room and a floor drain, vinyl flooring, broadloom, some storage under here, a great bathroom with mottled tile and glass, a little storage cubby and stuff like that. Above grade windows down here. PAX units are included, lots of shelving, mirrored closets here, larger above grade window, sump pump, waterproofed all along here. So there you go, bedroom. Let's buzz through this place. Stairs up, place to hang your hat, we'll call that home. This is going to be a 1-bedroom with an open kitchen in the middle here. We can provide a fridge for here. It is on order, but right now just in case people didn't want it, and because it was delayed, we haven't put it in. It's a stainless steel, brand new fridge. Again, private laundry, south-facing window. You could also put a little work area in there. There's track lighting in here. A closet. This was the master bedroom when it was single family. Makes a very ample living room with a cool light fixture, bay window, little storage under there. You'll find the window air conditioner under there. Big space. Big double closet. And little bathroom. Since this is just a 1-bedroom, it's a good size for what it is, but it is small. Someday there's room to be able to expand it out there maybe. Have a bigger one, but it's clean, tiled, easy to maintain, bright, and does the trick. Lots of storage, broadening floor in the bedroom, overlooking, south-facing window overlooking the garden and everything. This is a queen-size bed we have in here, and a full-size closet. And that is the end of my super quick tour.